Okay, hello everybody. Well, you can see I'm back over to Dad's shop. He ran into some pretty bad news, some pretty disheartening news on the old 39 here. Let me get around that Willys. Just like with every used engine you get from somebody else, you don't know what they did, you don't know what parts they used or anything like that. You just got to kind of take them at their word. And honestly, it's all a gamble until you get the pudding hot, right? Well, the pudding got almost hot. He was setting the timing on it and letting it warm up, make sure the electric fan kicks on, thermostat, you know, all of that. And she lost oil pressure. And before he could get in and hit the key, she started making noise. Looking at the oil there, I don't know if the camera here will pick it up too good, but you can definitely see copper, especially where she's dropping right there. And the brand new oil came out looking like it's been run for a while. So something's going on.
Yeah, there's a lot of babbitt off of the bearings. That's what that is babbitt on the bearing surface for the friction that they put on for the bearings. It's all in that bucket.
We done filled a bucket clear full of the babbitt.
I'm gonna cry. I've been crying for 2 days.
I'll take the camera off of him so you don't have to see an old man cry. But that's all part of hot rodding, I guess. If you can't take these kind of setbacks, you know, this stuff ain't for you. So she's coming out. This engine here probably gets set on an engine stand, pushed off to the side, and we'll go back to plan A, which isn't a bad plan. You guys out there that know small block Chevys, we got an 01 old block. That's the cream of the crop block in the small block Chevys. And this one, well, we'll roll it over, check the bearings in it, go through it, paint it up just like the other one, and stick her on in. Oh, a job's only fun if you do it twice or 3 times. Now we won't talk about that. It's only fun if you do it twice. Alright, so I'm going to help him get the metal hot here so I can jump back over to my place and get some metal hot where it's freezing over there. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one.